This is MP3 Decoder player with the USB port and Bluetooth. This module needs an amplifier board for connect to speakers, but we try install and test without amplifier with these tiny speakers. Hello my friend, welcome to New Tech Pro channel. For this video I chose these speakers with lithium battery. This lithium battery output is around 4 volts. So we need 12 volts output. I use 3 battery lithium with the series connection. Before series connection, see this video in New Tech Pro channel about series connection and parallel. Let's series connection. Okay, now we need connect the wire to VCC for positive, GND for negative. Now we need connect this connector and wire to a speaker. As you can see here, this is a stereo output connector. I try put this wire for radio FM antenna, and this 3 wire for output stereo, right? GND and left. First connect GND with this wire, GND, pin negative in a speaker. For other speaker GND, I use this cable. Here. That's good. Now we need connect left and right channel stereo output. First left output to positive pin in my speaker. And for left speaker, left channel, connect this wire positive in my speaker left. That's good. This is a stereo output. Let's turn it on MP3 module and test play music with USB port. Turn it on again with 12 volt battery pack. That's good. And play music. For hear this music, I use microphone. Watch this video about update speaker and stereo system in New Tech Pro channel. For use a speaker bigger, you need amplifier. See this playlist, very helpful and useful.